how the get your hands out of handcuffs move is supposed to work.
Turn to the side.
Now this is how Sloane does it.
You have to come up and down it. That's a sign that your butt is a hair bit too big.
I can get this.
Do you love this intense music? Even if you do get it over your huge bahookie, you know what? Your arms are too short. You don't have William arms like me.
I have a tiger.
Silence! Stop!
Okay, ready? I'm gonna do this.
You can do it! Who's calling? Who's calling?
Cell phone from Iowa.